Namaskar and good morning to all honorable judges, respected teachers and all my dear friends. I am Ritu Kacharya from Kalabar English Medium School and I am studying in grade 9. So today my topic is how badly does nutrition affects a person's appearance. Before starting my presentation, I want to thank some people who helped me in this presentation. They are our principal Nisha ma'am and our teacher Varshar, who guided us for junior intelligence. So, and also I want to thank all those in my family and friends who helped me in this presentation. So now let's come to the topic. My topic name is how badly does nutrition affects a person's appearance. In this topic, I am going to discuss all these matters with you all. Well, this topic is all about nutrition because we all know very well about COVID-19 pandemic, right? So, I am expecting some information about COVID-19 virus from the audience. Anyone wants to give information? Anyone? Yes?
Through pandemic, we have to boost immunity.
Yes, absolutely. Thank you, ma'am. So, this topic is all about nutrition because we all know very well about COVID-19 pandemic as she tell us. And nutrition is important because we scientists have researched on COVID-19 virus and say to improve our immunity to prevent COVID-19 virus. So, immunity is a power to fight against bacteria and viruses. And we get immunity from nutritional food. So, indirectly or directly, illness and diseases are related to nutrition. So, I selected this topic. We have to eat sufficient nutrition every day, So, it helps us to function the body properly. But, first of all, do you know what is nutrition? I am expecting answers from the audience. Yes, please.
Nutrition means protein, vitamin, fats, carbohydrates, and minerals.
Thank you, sir. These all are the types of nutrition. But nutrition is essential because it gives energy to the body, and we get energy to perform all the daily life routines. So nutrition is important because it gives energy to the body. And secondly, good nutrition is based on healthy eating. And I think being healthy is essential factor that helps us to stay healthy and be active in our life. So nutrition is important. But if we do not eat sufficient nutrition every day, then it will cause poor nutrition, right? Then do you know what causes poor nutrition? Anyone? Yes.
To eat junk food and all these things and not doing any workout.
Yes, absolutely. Thank you, sir. There are mainly two factors. First one is unhealthy eating. Let's take an example. In earlier times, people ate roots and leaves of some plants every day containing nutrition. So it consists of so many nutritions, so they were strong. But today there is so many items like pizzas, burgers, ice creams, and our generation is only eating junk food. I say our generation is only eating junk food. So unhealthy eating also causes poor nutrition. Second factor is intake of nutrition. If we do not intake sufficient nutrition every day, then we might feel uneasy or our body will not be capable of fighting against bacteria and viruses. So, and also if we eat unhealthy in place of healthy, then it will affect our daily intake of nutrition, including energy or protein, carbohydrates, essential fatty acids, vitamins, minerals, etc. Now, you will be so curious to know that if we have poor nutrition, then how it will affect us. If I say that many people in this who is present here will ignore poor nutrition, right? But I am saying that please do not ignore poor nutrition because obesity is one of the effects of poor nutrition. If I say in short term, obesity means too much fat in the body. It is usually based on your body mass index, in short BMI, which you can measure by BMI calculator. BMI simply compares your weight to your height, and if your BMI is 25 to 29.9, then you are overweight but not obese. But if your BMI is 30 or 30 more, then you are in an obese nature. There are some more effects of the obesity. First is risk of stroke. A high blood pressure, obesity leads to high blood pressure, which is a leading cause of a stroke. Second is depression. Obesity can affect your mental health and issues with your body image. Third one is heart attack. High blood pressure, cholesterol and sugar can harden your arteries and can cause heart attack. Fourth is liver disease. Excess fat can build up around your liver and can cause damage or even failure of the liver. Fifth one is cancer. Obesity can lead to a cancer of kidney and etc. And sixth one is sleep apnea. Sleep apnea is most dangerous because in sleep apnea your breathing stops for a period of time when you are sleeping. So these all are the life-threatening effects of the obesity. I think this is going to be very serious. So let's make a joke. It is in my days. My mom asked it to me and my little brother that why are you not taking nutrition every day? I said that mom, I don't like the nutrition taste because it tastes like not like junk foods. It is tasty. So, but when my mom asked my brother that why are you not taking nutrition every day, then my brother said, Mom, it makes me very fatty. But me and my mom just thinking that is this a new concept? How does nutrition make us fatty? So my brother said that I agree that nutrition is easy to swallow, but it's not make me more hungry earlier. Then we have to eat snacks. Then it's make me fatty that I'm not eating nutrition. And my mother just slapped my brother. That just only eat nutrition food. So let's come to the topic. If you want your body to be healthy, then there are some easier steps. Everyone following this nutrition, eating every day. Anyone here? Most of is saying no. I think most of is saying no. Then these are for you some steps, easier steps, and changes in your daily life can change your body. Two main changes are eating healthy every day and drinking fresh and clean water. Then another one is only occasionally eat sugary, salty foods and drinks, like in only marriage parties or in functions, and also small amounts. And one very good change is eating and enjoying your food with your family and friends without any distractions like television, mobile, etc. And I say this is steps to good nutrition, but I know that no one will follow this. No one will follow this. So you have to suffer from nutrition disorders if you do not take care of your body. So there are some nutrition disorders, night blindness, scurvy, osteomalacia, etc. These all nutrition disorders are caused by deficiency of any nutrition. Like scurvy is caused by deficiency of vitamin C. Osteomalacia is caused by extreme loss of calcium in the body. Like you know that weakening and softening of the bones can lose extreme calcium, which can be take place as nutrition disorders, osteomalacia. So for preventing these nutrition disorders to come across us, we have to eat essential nutrition every day, right? Well, any from the audience know that how many essential nutritions are there? Yes. Absolutely right. Thank you, sir. There are 6 essential nutritions: vitamins, minerals, carbohydrates, fats, proteins, and water. These are the 6 essential nutritions. All nutritions have their specific and specialized functions, and that we will understand later. Now you will be so curious to know that how this nutrition affects our appearance, right? How this nutrition affects in our physical body. So let's understand it by examples. First one is, anyone from the audience, have you seen any gym guys or your relatives going to gym? Yes. Yes. If we see a regular person in place of that, then he or she doesn't consist that type of muscles, right? We usually see that. You know that how gym guys have increased muscles? Anyone?
By exercising and eating the nutrition.
Absolutely. Thank you, ma'am. Yes.
By protein shake.
Yes, thank you. They have started regular exercises and eating only nutritional food and drinks such as salad and protein. These are the main. So by protein and eating only nutritional food, we can increase our muscles, which is a physical change. Let's take over to the another example. Have you seen any fatty person? Well, if you don't seen, then I uploaded here picture. If that person starts regular exercises and eating only nutritious food and drinks, then he will become to look different from the before. Like you can see here, you can normally in a neck guys, you can see that there are so many difference between them. They both are the same person, but then also. So I was saying some time ago that nutrition have all their specific and specialized functions. So let's understand it one by one that how it will work in our body to show a physical change. First one is carbohydrates. Carbohydrates provides us energy, it improves the digestive system and it is useful to control weight. And carbohydrates provides a ready source of energy. Like carbohydrates, fats also provide energy. But the difference is carbohydrates provides ready source of energy and fats provides a stored energy. There are some more effects of the fat. It is fat protects the internal organs. It provides energy, which is fat stored energy, and it keeps the body warm. It maintains our body temperature. Next is protein. Protein helps us to protect from injury. It also stores energy and it also maintains our body temperature. And it also production of enzymes and etc. Next is water. Water is essential because water transports all the essential nutrients to all the body parts. And water protects and moisturizes the joints. And also another fact is brain consists of 90% of water. So water is essential for brain also. Next is minerals. Minerals maintain our health and it regulates the repair of body cells. And minerals help to prevent deficiency diseases such as beriberi. So I will be happy if audience can answer that what is beriberi or some information about beriberi disease. Anyone know? Okay, no problem. Let me give you some information about beriberi. Beriberi is caused by deficiency of vitamin B1. And if I say in its effect, then beriberi can cause heart failure or heart attack. Beriberi is a life-threatening disease. So let's move to the last, vitamins. Vitamins helps our body to function properly. And also vitamins converts food into energy and it boosts our immune system. If I say that vitamins also can, if we have a deficiency of vitamins, that we can have deficiency disease anemia. Anyone know about anemia? Audience, judges, deficiency disease anemia. Forgetting names. No, it's not, but I appreciate you answer me. Let me give you some information about anemia. Deficiency disease anemia, it is a lack of red blood cells in our body. When we have lower than normal amount of red blood cells in our body. So, this information which I gave may be new for someone, maybe new for someone who is present here. So, I was so curious to know that how many of them in my relatives know about nutrition. So, I made one Google form for survey and sent it to all my relatives. I have get not everyone but almost people have answered me. In that there are mainly 3 questions. Is nutrition essential for living peaceful life? Anyone wants to give answer from the audience? Yes. Nutrition is helpful for and also it is useful for living a peaceful life. But then too also 14.3% people don't think that nutrition is essential. So I have to just read them that it's important. Second question is how many type of essential nutrition are there? Like not everyone is educated in my family. If I say that only 50% people are educated in my family. So 45.7% people answered me that there are 6 essential nutrition. and everyone type 5, 3, 8, but 43.7% people answered. Next is, does nutrition show physical change in their body? I will explain it. So, anyone wants to give answer from the audience? I'll explain it. Yes, nutrition can show a physical change, which I explained by 2 examples. But then too also 25% of people don't know that nutrition can show physical change in the body. So this is, and my conclusion is to aware people and to make them realize about their health. And I want to make them strong and make them to capable fighting against bacteria and viruses and also diseases. And if I say some information that a great writer, George Eliot, anyone knows about George Eliot? Yes, he has said that it's never too late. It is true, that thought is true also, but we can say that we can delay. So be healthy.